In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Quora Ads campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you don't remove the wrong campaign by mistake. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Quora Ads or Quora Ads Manager. This is the quickest way to land on the right page, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results appear, look for the official Quora business link. It should clearly reference Quora's advertising platform. Avoid any third-party sites or ads that don't take you directly to Quora's own domain. Click the correct link to open the Quora Ads Manager. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Use the account that has access to the ad account you want to manage. If your organization uses two-factor authentication or role-based access, complete those prompts. If you see a message about insufficient permissions, you may need admin or editor access before you can delete a campaign. Once you're in the Ads Manager, head to the top navigation and select the Manage tab. This is where your campaigns are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct ad account if you manage multiple accounts. You can also adjust filters like status or date range, so you're looking at the most relevant set of campaigns. In the Campaigns table, find the campaign or campaigns you want to remove. Carefully check the box next to each campaign you intend to delete. Double-check the names and any identifying details like objective or spend to be sure you've selected the right ones. Deleting is permanent, so this quick review is worth it. With your selections made, look for the Delete Campaign option. Depending on your view, it may appear above the table or inside a Bulk Actions menu. Click Delete Campaign. Quora will typically ask for confirmation to help prevent accidental removals. When the confirmation prompt appears, read it closely. It will note that deletion can't be undone. If you're absolutely certain, click Confirm. The selected campaigns will be removed and they'll no longer run or accrue spend. If your goal is only to stop delivery temporarily, consider pausing a campaign instead of deleting it. Deletion is best when you're sure you won't need that campaign structure again. That's it. You opened Quora Ads, logged in, navigated to manage, selected your campaign, clicked delete, and confirmed. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section while you work through your own account.